What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another breakdown video. My name is Colt if you do not know me, and we're going to get right into the markets. But before we do that, if you are new to this channel, I would appreciate if you guys could like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn those post notifications on. And for you doing that, I'm going to give you guys a free training. I linked a free training in the description. All you have to do is click it, fill out your name, email, and phone number, then you'll have direct access to it. Now, without further ado, let's get into my computer. Okay, guys, I actually looked at GBP JPY last week. I saw this hammerhead candle rejecting the 20 EMA and was certain it was going to shoot up, and it just didn't go the way that I expected. Looking at our previous daily candle, it is a doji. We possibly could see it push up, and one thing that we need to look at is we have this clean uptrend right here. We can see our trend line just hitting it. So maybe we could possibly see a nice uptrend occurring. If I was to look at the setup, I would be looking for longs. I would just go by market execution. And for all of you that do not know, let me write this out for you guys. We're on the daily time frame. So every one of these candles right here that we see represents 24 hours. And there actually is a ticker that tells us when the candle time is going to close. So every day at 2 p.m. PST is when a new candle opens and the current candle closes. Very important. So if you guys want to take a screenshot of that, a quick picture, so you know. But if you guys are just not good with time, just look at this. One thing that you guys can do too is go to your phone and set an alarm. So if you go right here and set an alarm for 2 p.m., you can actually go where it says repeat and have it repeat every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Because the markets close Friday at 2 p.m. PST. So set an alarm and then go through your watch list with all your pairs and see how the markets are setting up. So usually when I'm recording these videos, I'm doing them around 5 p.m. So it gives you just enough time to really look at the markets, how they're already performing 3 hours into the market open. So looking at GJ, seeing this doji, we're already seeing that bullish momentum starting to push up, already in a clear uptrend. Maybe it just wasn't time to buy here, but I'm pretty confident that it is a good time to buy here, especially because look at the low right here on this candle's wick and how this low isn't as low as that one. Then this low isn't as low as this one. So we could potentially see a push up. Stops obviously would be below this candle's low. And then for my TP, I would just aim for the previous high right here. So we do have a stop loss of 219 pips, which is pretty big. Our TP is 233 pips, about a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio there. Next pair, USD JPY. Seeing the bullish momentum, once again, we can kind of see similarities with GJ to USD JPY. We probably could see some bullish push up. I would expect the market to come up to this 66 EMA right here. Stops right below the low of this previous candle. That's what setup we're going to be looking for. Let me lock these so we can actually review them. I don't lose them. Okay. Then we did look at USD CAD last week. That hit our take profit, so let's delete this. No real setup on USD CAD right now. Hypothetically, maybe we could see it come to this EMA right here, hit that, and then push up even more. We're going to look at that later in the week. Right now, I don't see any clear setup. Okay, now let's go to GBP JPY. Okay, maybe we are going to see a nice push away from this 20 EMA. Once again, we're in this clear uptrend as we can see. So looking at GBP JPY or GBP USD, I think we could see some nice pushes up too to this previous high. Stops out have a really tight stop loss, 74 pips to 294 pips at this previous high right here. And I want you guys to notice something. We're going to lock this. Notice this setup, how it's in comparison with this setup. We entered right after this candle closed at the 20 EMA. Look at it in comparison to GBP JPY, GBP USD. It's right at that 20 EMA too. So we could hypothetically see a push away from that zone up to this previous high right here. We're going to make sure this position is locked, which it is. and we can look into that. This video is sponsored by my program FX University. Go to the link in the description to sign up, or there should be a link on this page. Once you go to join now, you're going to go to get started, and once you do, we're going to give you a code for 15% off. Go right here where it says to add promo code, type in FX1 and click apply. Euro USD, once again, clear uptrend. It looks like the euro is doing pretty well. So a lot of these pairs are looking to go long this week. Aim for the previous high, stops right below the previous candle, 52 pips. Pull this in a little, boom. We could be looking for a nice push up. Let's stretch this out just a little, this stop loss, so it has some breathing room. Go for like 70 pips around there. Cool. That's all I'm looking on Euro USD, just clear uptrend. When I'm looking at the uptrend, if I want to see it continue to go into a certain trend, I want to look for a reversal or a continuation candle. This right here is our bullish reversal candle. It's coming down to create a higher low, and then I'm going to look for new higher highs. So that's what I'm looking at for Euro USD. Bitcoin, I'm not really margin trading or intraday trading Bitcoin. In cryptos, what I'm really doing is just looking at the long-term aspect. So we are pretty bearish for the past couple of days. We do have a major point of support. Hopefully we can hit that and start to bounce up. We do need Bitcoin to rebound because I got some good money in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. So if it can push up, that's going to be good because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is the mothership of all the other cryptos. So whatever Bitcoin is doing, a lot of the other cryptos are going to be following Bitcoin's lead. Ethereum, look at the similarities between Ethereum and Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Very similar chart. So I tell you guys that Bitcoin is really the mothership. Whatever it's doing, Ethereum's going to follow. VeChain's most likely going to follow. Litecoin's going to follow. And then XRP is going to follow as well. They have a lot of similarities within these charts. So looking good with cryptos. We are bearish. Hopefully that bullish season will come after this bearish winter that we're in. And I don't know if you guys know, but a lot of people say that during the winter months is the worst time for crypto. So I think in the next following months, like around summertime, we're going to really see that bullish momentum come. The markets are going to have more confidence. A lot of people are going to be buying. There's going to be more greed versus fear because right now there's a lot of fear. But when this is what Warren Buffett said, he said, when others are fearful, that's when you need to be greedy. XAD USD. I saw this on Friday, and I was like, damn, this previous candle that closed bullish, I think that we're going to see a nice push up. Looking at our previous candle, it is bearish. If we look at this candle, it is bearish. So I'm going to hold this trade. I have confidence in this trade right here. I think it's going to keep pushing up for gold. Probably is going to retest this 20 EMA and then start to really push up. But that is today's breakdown. This is what I'm looking at. We're going to do another review call tomorrow, and I'm going to show you guys an update on the markets, what I'm seeing, and we'll go from there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you on the next one. Peace.